Welcome to another Windows tutorial. In this guide, I will walk you through the process of downloading and installing apps on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer or laptop. Whether you're looking to install popular apps like Spotify, Netflix, or Hulu, the steps are straightforward and similar to downloading apps on a smartphone using platforms like the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. If you're new to this channel, my name is Rachel and it's all about easy how-to-tech guides. So make sure you click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on upcoming videos. On Windows, we use the Microsoft Store to achieve this. Move your mouse to the bottom left corner of your screen and click the Start button. Type Store into the search bar that appears. Select the first result, which should be the Microsoft Store. Once the Microsoft Store is open, you'll see a wide range of apps available for download. You can browse apps by category such as best-selling, creativity, and more. If you have a specific app in mind, use the search bar in the top. For example, typing Netflix app will display all Netflix-related apps, including the official Netflix app. Select the app you want to download. Look for the blue button that says either Get or Install. If you already own the app, it may only show the Install option. Click Get or Install to start the download and installation process. Once the installation is complete, click Open to launch the app. You can now start using it on your Windows computer. By following these simple steps, you'll have access to a world of apps that can enhance your Windows experience. Whether for entertainment, productivity, or gaming, the Microsoft Store has something for everyone. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the like button below and share it with your friends. If you want to see more videos like this, click subscribe and join us.